But look, here's my work. This is what I've done. All right, so I have created 783 gigabytes of data. I have made 1,391 items so far. I'm close to 800 gigabytes of content. Wow. That I will now go through. Exciting. 800 gigabytes. And I'm not done. I'm hoping that there's going to be a nice flight on the way home. It is possible that there could be 1,000 gigabytes. Yes. I travel. This is why there's so many complications. I travel with a full studio. Look at this. Right? Oh my goodness. Okay, well, hold on. Yeah. There's so much. And, you know, that's not that. And that's not, there's a whole thing. Yeah. Anyway, so I'm gonna work. And that's what happened. Just know that I am showered, cleaned up, and fed. It's actually a really good day. Somebody just came up to me from, I don't know where the accent was. I know they meant well, but they said, "You are on vacation. You should leave your work at home." My work is my vacation. You want to take a look? Let's take a look. You ready? Come on, let's go. You know why it's fun? Woo! To quote me from another vlog, a good vacation is one that you run to, but it's also one that you run from, because it means you did it. If it was to be done, it's been didded. Bye-bye. It's a combination. Happy, sad, happy, sad, happy, sad, happy, sad. Let's have one grape before we go. Let's have this one. Okay, two. So good. The ferry leaves in 5.5 hours. I have a voucher and I want to trade it in for the ticket. Thank you. Bye. Bye, Goey. Bye bye. Goodbye. Let me see if I remember. This is a 200-year-old Turkish recipe.
No, Greek.
Of a specific grape that the monasteries are now making again, and the grape is known for its energy. How's that?
We try now.
Okay, and what's it called?
Osiakos. Osiakos is the because make the Osios Christodoulos, the son Osios Christodoulos, the builder, the monastery.
Oh, okay.
Osiakos for that.
Oh my goodness, is that for me?
Yes.
All right, cheers, my friend. Nice, huh? Nice. I said it in the last video. To be 6,000 miles away from where I live, people make you feel like family. It's been a rather nice trip, huh? Yeah, that has not gone unnoticed. For a sec, I sat out there earlier and I was going through my phone, and I'm looking. There's so many like chapters to this trip. The Santorini, the Amoros, and they all had state of minds. The state I'm in, who I am right now, that's not who I began the trip as. Yeah. I am a better person after this vacation. Who am I? I am who I used to be.
You have a good time?
I had a great time. It was 2 weeks. You know, I have some problems at home. So it was good to get away.
That's the best.
That's the best. We hope you everything okay.
Yeah, so now when I go home, I'm like, wow.
Power Ranger.
Super power.
Super power. Oh, I want to see you again.
I want you to know that I will always be grateful. Hold on. I will always be grateful that you let me meet Hakuna.
Hakuna, you are special friend here.
I will always be grateful. My friend, again, the best. Thank you.
You are the best.
This is why nobody's up at sunrise. Now I know. I've never been up at this hour. Take a look around. I'm saddened and thrilled. As I have any leg, any part, any hotel of this trip, and that was the route home. Yeah, I have a cabin. I can sleep, I can work. I need to sleep. But I'm gonna set an alarm. It is 10 till midnight. It's 8 hours. So I'm gonna set an alarm. Oh my, this is so exciting to me. Set an alarm for 4:30 a.m.
Okay, I've set an alarm for 4:30.
This is the end of the vlog of the Greek island portion, right? There's still a route to get home, but this really ends everything that happened on the islands, all 3 sets. Damn. And really all I got to say is mission accomplished. I have some problems at home, and I really hadn't thought of them. Somebody asked me something that brought that up. I got a court date. I really forgot all about that. That's good. Yeah, that's good. Very energized right now. I just remember roaming around like a zombie movie last year, trying to find a place. I slept behind a couch, freezing. All right, enough. Let's turn everything off. Just know that I'm happy. That's it. Just know that I'm happy.